Uniswap might decline 4% tomorrow, digital coin price indicates. But first, let's review the current chart before moving on. As of this moment, Uniswap is up 3.1% in 24 hours and is close to $4.065. Let's run through today's expert calls. Crypto predictions sees the value moving to $4.213 by March 17, about 3.6% above current value. Uniswap may approach $4.08 per coin price forecast, a rise of approximately 0.3%. Gov Capital Collector points out it could test the $3.95 level lower, a downward move of 2.9%. A different analysis from Digital Coin Price projects Uniswap could move downward to $3.905, a potential loss close to 4%. And last but not least, Coin Data Flow forecasts $3.85 by March 17, down 5.3%. This is the top result we've analyzed. We've looked at 5 different projections. Let's continue. These are the key takeaways from all 5 forecasts. Based on the spread of forecasts we've seen, the market could swing between a decrease of 5.3% and a gain of 3.6%, depending on the analyst. As a result, Coin Data Flow is expected to post the highest return with 5.3% growth in value by March 17. Based on these results, you could generate between $3 and $53 for every $1,000 you invest. By examining recent volatility patterns, coin price forecast emerges as the most likely scenario with a 96.6% chance of success. Looking across today's forecasts, I've summarized them into a consensus outlook. According to the consensus projection, Uniswap could fall toward $4, down roughly 1.7%. Okay, here's the deeper look. The consensus projection points to a 1.7% drop in price by tomorrow. And by that same percentage, your capital could potentially also grow. For every $1,000 put in, this scenario could point to about $17 gained. This consensus view is linked to a chance of about 93.3% of materializing. To wrap up this stage, let's check the 3-day outlooks from analysts. A positive outlook is shared by Crypto Predictions, pointing to more gains. Uniswap may advance, CoinPrice forecast also notes. Gov Capital Collector expects Uniswap to fall. A stable outlook is projected by Digital Coin Price, suggesting no major drivers for movement. Coin Data Flow expects losses to extend. The consensus suggests Uniswap will stay close to its current price over the next 3 days. Bringing the views together, the majority expect Uniswap to trend weaker. 5 forecasts were published 2 days ago. Let's check them against yesterday's price. As a result, the price ended the day at $4.069. 3 out of 5 analysts had the direction correct. 30 rates came out with the most exact forecast. Now let's break it all down. Yesterday's move showed 3 forecasts inside. Speaking of ROI, part of the group achieved positive results, and 30 rates had the highest return at 4.2%. Here's the full recap. The complete breakdown of the results in one view. In today's data, Crypto Predictions registered $0.346 in accuracy, 71.3% forecast probability, and minus 3.6% ROI. See if you can spot which predictions were the most successful. And now we're moving to the comparison of tomorrow's expected returns for Uniswap and a small group of other coins. Uniswap doesn't take first place here since Bitcoin leads with an expected gain of 2.8%. Right now, Uniswap is shown with 4 cryptocurrencies, while a far larger group will be available for analysis on my website soon. We're done for today. Make sure you're subscribed for the next forecast updates. Catch you in the next forecast summary.